Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be doing, can y'all guess it? Can y'all guess it? We'll be doing the cleaning my brushes. I have not cleaned my brushes in I don't know how long, because like I said, I don't do my nails like that. So with me not cleaning my brushes, that's kind of why I haven't been doing my nails. But now that I'm doing my nails, which that video is up, if you can go check it out on my channel. But yeah, I needed to clean these brushes. This was the day before I did my nails. So I do have two gel brushes in here. One is that one, and then the one as I showed before that. So I wanted to just show y'all the different cups that you can use when using pure acetone. This is 100% pure acetone. So I poured it into the clear cup to show you like nothing's going to happen. You can use this cup, or if you have like the actual bowl, whatever. And then I use this. So right away you can already see that the red started pouring out or like dripping. So I just poured it into that, and then you can kind of see the tint of red. But I'm going to show you also the cup where you just see the red. I don't know how, but the dye just came through the cup. So I ended up using this one. So if you do just have a plastic clear container, you can use that because it's going to work. So most of the brushes that I have are from Amazon. Like this is the, I don't know how to say it, CADs. So both of the darker wooden handles are a 14, and then the smaller brush was a 5. So I'm using a cuticle pusher. So I let it sit in for, I'm going to say about 20 to 30 minutes. You don't have to let it sit in for that long. I just sat it in for that long because I went to do some stuff, do like some little chores or whatever. And the gel out of these brushes just came right out. Like literally they just slid right out. But with the acrylic brushes, the only one that was like 100% good was the smaller one, which is understandable because it is a smaller brush, so it was less dense, so it didn't have to really penetrate anything. Plus, I think I've only used this brush like once or twice. My other brushes had more I'm sorry. My other brushes had more work with them. They're older brushes. Like the not the more bulky, dense one. That one is maybe like a few months old. But my other one, I think the one after this brush, that one is almost 3 years old. And it still works good. That is so, that on that brush, that's cotton. That's not the acrylic. The acrylic that I do use is not that, it's not that gooey stuff that people be buying. Like I use Mia Secrets and Young Nails. The Oh my gosh, my voice sounds so. Let me drink some of my tea, y'all. Let me drink some of my tea. The tea that I am drinking is from Keisha K. Or. If you guys have not checked out that video, that is also in my channel. I was going to say link below, but it's also in my channel. So now I'm just taking the cuticle pusher and taking out all of the extra acrylic because you don't, of course, this is the whole point of removing the acrylic. So boom, there, all of it wasn't out. So I did set them back into the acetone and let them sit for maybe like 5 more minutes. But then after the 5 minutes, literally I just took it, did more of scraping out with the cuticle pusher. And here we are. This is the finished product of them. I really like to shape my brushes. I like the pinch type of brushes. But if you do like round brushes, then you can use round brushes. But put some brushes down below if y'all do have some good brushes that you could recommend. But this is the end of the video. I would like to say thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram. That will all be linked down below. These are just like bonus clips. I will just show y'all how I prepped the nail thingy for the inside. But I will catch you guys in my next video. Do not forget to check out my channel. And if you have tips on also how to get, like, I don't use brush cleaner. So if y'all have tips on how to get, you know, like say if you have like a really bad acrylic Normally acetone gets it out, but if you do have something else in mind, just put it down below. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. And check out my other channels down below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.